Welcome to my newest listing in the heart of Fairfax, priced at $920,000. This is a mid-century modern with some designer touches. The living room and kitchen is an open floor concept and offers great space for guests and entertaining. The main level consists of a upgraded floors, recessed lights, kitchen with white shaker cabinets, modern backsplash, quartz countertops, and stainless steel LG appliances. The master bedroom is on the main level with its own bathroom that has been remodeled from top to bottom. As you greeted on the other level, we have two other bedrooms and with a full bathroom, fully renovated with some designer touches you don't want to miss out. As you go into the basement level, you are greeted with a rec room that's warm and cozy, with a fireplace and a space that's designated for an office for two people, work from home, and a backyard that you will love with a brand new patio and fenced-in backyard, perfect for those summer nights.